Hello guys, I'm CJ Tonaga. I'm a certified public accountant and also an insurance agent, or maybe you can call me financial advisor if you want advice regarding your financials. Yeah. Life insurance, ang itatopic natin ngayon is life insurance. Life insurance with guaranteed benefits. So, ano nga ba yung meron tayo kasing life insurance products with our guaranteed benefits, no? So, hi everyone. Thank you for the amazing support. I've been able to grow this community using my accounting knowledge and BIR filing dito sa ating YouTube channel na Alt plus F Travel, no? Now, I want to use this platform to explore another important topic, which is the benefits of life insurance and other insurance products that you may be interested to. So, ayan. If you are not interested here, you may skip this video. This topic will be the life insurance na hindi na yung accounting, hindi na yung BIR filing. So, this is life insurance. So, kung ayaw nyo neto, you may skip naman. So, pwede nyo namang hindi na panoorin to. Pero, thank you pa din sa inyong support. But if you are still interested, stay tuned for valuable insights and tips that can help you make an informed decisions for your future. So, yeah. So, disclaimer, this is my own interpretation of the product sold by the company. So, this is not a company presentation. So, walang kinalaman yung company dito. Myself lang ako lang ang gumagawa nito. And I won't be mentioning the company or the specific product here. If you're interested in learning more or finding a product that suits your preferences, feel free to message me on Facebook. So, maraming nagtatanong, totoo ba yung life insurance na yan? Scam lang naman ata yan eh. Sabi ng mga iba dyan na scam lang daw yan. Lalo na yung may investment daw, pinangako na 10 years daw, 20%, 10% balik. Tapos, marami din ako kalala, parang di naman daw totoo, ganyan. So, what if meron tayong insurance na may guaranteed return? Kasi kapag sinabi kasing investment, is not guaranteed yan. Kapag investment, lagi mo ano yan na not guaranteed. So, not guaranteed yan. Pero, paano kung may life insurance naman tayo na may guaranteed return? So, yung hindi ka na mag-iisip kung mabababa or mataas yung stock market or yung market ng whole ng Pilipinas. Yan. Sample tayo. Si Juana, female. So, is 27 years old, an accountant from Makati. So, she wants to start preparing for her retirement now. But after reading various blogs, she's feeling uncertain about investment in insurance due to concerns over non-guaranteed returns. So, ang concerns niya is non-guaranteed yung returns. Kasi gusto niya sana mag-invest sa insurance. Kaso, non-guaranteed yung returns. Yung sa iba, sabi nung mga blogs. Yan. Yan. Hi, Juana. Let me show you sample explanation or quotation with guaranteed tayo. Guaranteed benefit, guaranteed maturity benefit, and guaranteed cash paid out every 2 years after end of 6th policy year. And possible cash dividend starting the end of the first policy year. So, binibigyan ka na ng dividend on the first policy year pa lang. So, mag-show ako ng examples. So, thank you. Ayan. So, ito yung summary ng benefits and premiums ng ating plans. So, ang nilagay ko, since 27 years old pa lang siya, 20 years to pay yung ginawa ko para mas mahaba yung time na magbabayad at mas maliit. And, kumbaga, kahit na paying ka pa, insured ka na agad. Kahit na maliit lang yung binibigay mo sa insurance company, insured ka na agad. So, ano yung mga summary of plan and benefits and premiums. So, meron siya, ang benefit ng plan na yon is life insurance, guaranteed cash payouts, so guaranteed, non-guaranteed dividend, so non-guaranteed kasi ang non-guaranteed sa kanya is yung rate at kung kumikita ba yung company. Siyempre, magbibigay lang ang company ng dividends if kumikita ang company. So, yon. And then, kung na-surpass mo yung may maturity benefit. So, ito, si quarterly yung naisipan kong ilagay dyan. So, 9,141, 9,141 or sabihin na natin 3,000 per month ang kanyang ay babayad sa insurance company for her to be benefited for the life insurance. No? So, ayan siya. So, ito yung parang summary na din ng mga benefits na may kasamang So, ano ba yung life insurance coverage niya is yung 200% of the face amount, yung coverage ni Juana. So, ang face amount natin is ating 250,000. So, sa 250, ang life insurance natin ay 500,000. So, magkano ang annual niya is 32,647. Pero kapag monthly, 3,1. So, bakit siya pag tinimes mo sa 3,101.5 times 3 mo for the quarterly, ang lalabas is 9,3. So, makaka-discount ka kapag quarterly ka kasi nagiging 9,141 na lang. So, parang hindi talaga siya tutugma kasi discounted yung mga quarterly, tapos semi-annual, and lalo na yung annual premiums. Kasi habang mas kung ano yung frequency ng mo, mas may discount siya. So, ganyan. So, ano yung life insurance benefit natin? So, ang life insurance benefit natin is yung kapag may unexpected event happens resulting to the death of the insured. Siyempre, naka-on-wood. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo pumupunta dito sa death na to. So, kumbaga, certain young death na yan sa atin. So, ang life insurance benefit natin will be 500,000 for this amount. For this annual premium, so 32,647.50. Yan. So magkakaroon din tayo ng, ito yung benefits ng plan natin na guaranteed cash payout. So, magkakaroon ka na, marireceive mo yung guaranteed cash payouts equivalent to 25,000. So, 10% netong face amount starting from the end of the 60th policy years anniversary and every other year policy maturity if the insured is still alive. So, kunyari, tapos mo na yung 6th year ng policy mo, tapos mo na bayaran. Then, at the end of the policy year, na 6th policy, bibigyan ka ng 25,000. Tapos, at the end of 8th policy year, bibigyan ka ulit ng 25,000 and so on and so forth. So, ganun yung magiging lagay niya. So, ano yung non-guaranteed dividends naman natin? You may choose to receive cash or leave it in accumulation to accumulate interest. So, pwede siya mag-earn ng dividend based doon sa company's performance natin and pwedeng i-stay mo lang doon para mag-earn ng interest. So, maturity kapag hindi ka namatay, so nakaabot ka ng 100, so bibigyan ka pa rin ng 500,000. So, sample scenario tayo ng ating life insurance natin with guaranteed benefits. So, si Juana, bumili siya ng insurance with guaranteed benefits. Ang annual premium niya is 32,647,000. 47 pesos and 50 centavos. So, ang face amount niya is 250,000. So, at the age of 27, kumuha siya ng insurance benefit with guaranteed benefits. So, Juana met an accident at 31 years old and unexpectedly passed away. So, magkano yung total premiums na nabayaran niya is 130,590. So, ang guaranteed death amount benefit natin is 500,000. So, ang guaranteed dividend earnings, sample, kasi may mga sample computation dun sa aming proposal. So, estimated at 2.5 siya. So, ayan. So, ang total marireceive ng benefits na marireceive ng inyong beneficiary is 502,000. So, deduct natin yung premiums natin from the benefits received. So, 371,000 na lang siya. 371,000 yung kumbaga net benefits from her parents. Or yan yung 285% ng estimated earnings mo. Yan yung total na kita mo, parang ganun. Parang, eto lang kasi yung binayaran mo, yung 130 lang pero ang na-receive ng beneficiaries mo is 502. So, kita ka pa ng 371. So, another sample scenario tayo. Another sample scenario, same situation, 20 pay to 50,000 yung face value, face amount, and annual premium is 32,000. So, at the age of 27, bumili siya ng insurance with guaranteed benefits. Pero, at the age of 37, yun nga, unexpectedly na-aksidente siya. So, parang 10 years lang lumalabas. So, rest in peace. So, ang total na premiums na nabayaran niya is 326,475. So, parang yan yung 10 years nang binayaran niya. Pero, nung 33 years old siya, starting 33, every 2 years, ganyan, 37, is nag-receive siya ng guaranteed cash payout natin na 25,000. So, magkano na yan? In 3 years, in 3 cash payouts natin, may 75,000 siya na-receive. So, habang buhay pa siya, nakaka-receive na siya ng pera. So, kung hindi man, kasi siya yung policy insured and policy owner. So, ayan. So, ang guaranteed amount ng benefit natin is 500,000 kasi nga namatay na siya. So, meron din siyang unguaranteed dividend earnings na 16.2. So, total benefits na na-receive is 591. Compared mo siya dito sa 326 mo lang na binayaran. So, 591, tapos deduct mo yung ito. So, 264 yung parang naging net benefits mo from your policy. So, equivalent siya sa 81% na estimated earnings natin. So, ganyan siya. Competence. Kumbaga, kahit hindi ka pa tapos magbayad, basta kahit kung namatay ka, is magbibigay pa rin sa'yo yung 500,000 pesos. So, insured yan. Guaranteed. Ito, guaranteed na ibibigay sa'yo. Guaranteed na ibibigay sa'yo. Ito lang, hindi lang sure kung magkano itong dividend. So, scenario number 3 naman tayo. So, same pa rin. Client natin si Juana. 20 pay siya. 250 yung face amount and 32,000 yung annual premium. So, at the age of 27, Juana buys insurance with guaranteed benefits. So, age 47 kasi 20 years yung natin, 20 pay period natin siya. So 20 pay, 27 to 47. So, na-complete na ni Juana lahat ng payments. Ang total premiums paid niya is 652,950. So, 85 years old pa siya namatay kasi ayun ang katandaan. So, ayan. So ito yung at the age of 33, ito yung start ng ating guaranteed cash payout. So, guaranteed cash payout natin is 25,000 starting at the end of the 6th policy year and every 2 years. So, yan. So, every 2 years niyan, mula 33, 35, ganyan. So on and so forth, hindi ka naman. So, every 2 years, naka-receive siya, umabot ng 675,000 yung na-receive niya. Imagine. So, parang bawi na agad yung, dito pa lang, bawi na agad yung nabayad niya. So, ganun na agad. Bawi na agad. Every other year, nagkaka-receive siya ng 25,000. So, at 85 years old, guaranteed naman yan. Bibigyan ka ng 500,000. So, ang expected na ating accumulated na unguaranteed na dividend earnings natin is 740. Imagine niyo, ang dami na yan. So, ang total benefit natin is 675 plus 500,000 plus 774,000 is 1,900,000 na yung nare-receive natin. So, nare-receive na beneficiaries 500, nare-receive na beneficiaries 774, tapos naka-receive ka na 675. Imagine, buhay ka pa, nabawi mo na agad yung iyong nabayad dun sa insurance. So, magkano yung premiums paid natin is 600, tapos ibabawas natin. So, ang net na benefits natin from our policy is 1.2. So, estimated earnings natin is parang dumoble, no? Triple. So, ito, naging ganito. Oh, imagine, guaranteed, ang guaranteed dyan, ito pa lang. Itong dalawa, bawing-bawi ka na yan dyan. Wala lang. Para sabihin nyo naman na may guaranteed benefits ang life insurance. Kahit nabuhay ka pa, magbibigay na sa'yo yung life insurance. Ayan, scenario number 4 naman tayo. So, scenario number 4, same tayo ng given, no? 20-pay period, ang face amount natin is 250,000, pero ang annual premium natin is 32,000. So, at the age of 27, nag-buy ng insurance si Juana. So, at the age of 47, tapos niya ng bayaran lahat ng insurance niya, walang nangyari sa kanya. So, total premiums paid natin is 652,950 in 20 years. So, Juana, na-outlive niya yung policy, umabot siya ng 100 years old. So, from 33 years old, from the end of the 6th year hanggang mag 100 years old siya, makaka-receive siya ng 25,000 every 2 years after ng 6 policy year. Starting siya ng 6 policy year, then every 2 years siya. So, total guaranteed cash payout natin is 850 agad from ating, so, kumbaga buhay ka pa, nakaka-receive ka na agad ng ating guaranteed cash payout yan. So, 850, buhay ka na, bawing-bawi na agad yung premiums paid mo. So, the end of nung 100 years old ka, bibigyan ka ng guaranteed maturity amount na 500,000. So, meron pang accumulated kasi nga, niiwan mo lang, nag-earn siya ng interest, yung dividend mo. So, nakaabot siya ng 1.5 million. So, ganyan siya. So, kung mas malaki yung kung mas malaki yung gusto mong benefits, kung hindi lang gusto ko 50,000 to every other year marireceive ko. Pwede naman siya as long as tataas din itong face amount and tataas din tong annual premium natin. Kasi ito, 10% lagi ng face amount. So, kapag mas malaki ang face amount, mas malaki ang premium natin. So, magkano ang go back tayo, balik sorry. So, magkano ang total benefits na na-receive natin is 2.8 na agad nang na-receive natin. So, 850, bawing-bawi ka na dyan. Ito, dalawang to, total guaranteed yan. Ito, unguaranteed lang, pero meron naman yung dividend. So, yan. So, estimated is 2.8 million. So, deduct natin yung premiums. So, parang may net tayo. Net policy natin is, imagine, 348 yung 341,000% ang ating total earnings. Parang nag-quadruple pa ang ating na-receive from our life insurance. Kasi nga, nag-invest tayo agad. So, ganun lang yung ating mga scenario. So, ang summary ng benefits natin is available siya in 3 payment terms which is available. Kung gusto nyo mas mababa, kung 5-pay, 10-pay, tsaka 20-pay balance. Kung 5-pay, pagkatapos nyo magbayad, magbibigay na agad ng cash payout sa inyo. So, yan. Bigger guaranteed benefits kasi nga 200% of the face value. So, guaranteed yan. So, guaranteed maturity benefit natin yan. So, equal to 200% of the face value. Kapag ang maturity benefit ay kapag hindi ka namatay within hanggang maging 100 years old ka. So, longer, guaranteed cash payouts. Kung isipin mo, kung yung ang insured natin ay bata pa, pwedeng mong i-insured yung 1-year-old hanggang paglaki na. So, mas malaki yung longer period na ating guaranteed percentage of the face amount until alive or until maturity age. So, kung 1-year-old pa lang, binigyan mo 3 years old pa lang, makaka-receive na agad siya ng guaranteed benefit. 3, 4, 3, 5, hanggang sa tumanda siya, may na-receive na siya, after 6 years wala. Kunyari, insured siya ng 1 years old, mabibigyan siya ng kanyang guaranteed cash payout na 7 years old, tapos yun, simula 7, 9, and so on, hanggang tumanda siya, hanggang sa 100 siya, hanggang sa ano siya. So, magbibigyan siya ng 10% ng face value. So, receive more through dividends. Eligible to receive dividends when available lang. So, optional riders natin, pwede siyang lagyan. Kunyari is total, permanent, and disability rider. So, ito is, kunyari may mangyari sa'yo, total and permanent disability ka. So, hindi ka na makakabayad ng insurance. So, si insurance na ang magbabayad sa'yo, si insurance na yung magbabayad sa'yo. And meron ka pang, magbibigyan ka pa ng guaranteed benefits. So, ayan, personal accident rider, kung maaksidente ka, meron magbibigay sa'yo ng certain amount. Ganyan. So, payers term, benefit, and payers benefit. Kung sakaling magkaiba, itong payers, dalawang payers, kung sakaling magkaiba si insured at si owner ng policy. Kunyari, si mommy at si baby ang insured. So, kung si baby ang insured, pwedeng, may benefit na marireceive si trustee and the insured. Okay. Reminder on pre-existing conditions and free look. So, upon receiving the policy contracts, you may refer to the documents for full details on the definition, exclusions, including pre-existing conditions and other limitation. If after reading nung policy contract, hindi mo na siya nagustuhan, kahit na pwede mo siyang ibalik. Kahit ano yan, kahit sino. Kasi ito yung mandated ni insurance commissions na kailangan mo muna mabasa within 15 days. Pwede mo siyang ibalik. At ibabalik sa iyo yung premiums mo ng buo. So, ayun lang. Sample lang to for our 27 years old girl, female natin, from Makati. So, thank you for listening. Kasi, iba't iba ang magiging quotations ng ating life insurance and the benefits depending on the needs of the insurance, the insured, the policy owner, and so kung gusto nyo makaka-receive ng quotation or if you want to know more or get personalized life insurance quotation, chat me sa Facebook natin ng AltF Travel. So, scan nyo lang to. So, yun. So, ayun. Thank you and God bless.